Hi everyone, this is one of the low budget recipe I'm sharing with you guys. I'll be using palm oil, cow skin, crayfish, dry okra, grounded ogbono and pepper for this recipe. This is very easy and quick, so let's get started. In a pot I'm going to add the grounded ogbono and then I'll add the palm oil and mix very well. Then allow it cook on a very low heat. This is because we are not frying. I just want the ogbono to melt because after grinding it's had this large lumps inside, which I just want to allow it melt, because if I go ahead and cook it like this, it won't be nice. In fact, this recipe doesn't go like this. The lumps have to melt. That's how it's being cooked. So once the lumps is melted, I'll just add the meat stock, or if you want to use ordinary water, depending on you, seasoning, salt, pepper, everything, and then I'll just allow it cook a little bit. And right now you can see the lumps are already melted, but just a little bit more. And at this stage you can add your water or meat stock because you are good to go. So guys, I've added water. Now I'm adding crayfish. After crayfish I'm adding seasoning cubes. After that I'm going to add the grinded okra. Actually I use a mortar to pound it because it's hard, so you don't want to spoil your blender. So I'm just adding the okra, as you can see, and I'm going to add the dry fish and cow skin together and allow it to boil for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, and it's ready. You can eat it with whatever swallow of your choice. As you can see, it's boiling. You can use semo, you can use eba, any swallow of your choice. So this recipe is very quick and easy. And if I thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.